DIY installation of a shop light, LED shop light that I purchased from Lowe's. This light right in the front here, and this the LED ballast. So I'm gonna install the new light right under the garage motor there, the garage door motor, and that's the existing shop light. Now I measured out the distance about 9 feet in total. So I'm gonna remove the shop light cover and expose the existing wires that is on the original shop light. Then I'm gonna test the wires. And when I tested it, I found out that the switch controls everything. I didn't have a constant running through this area, so everything was controlled by a switch. But here's the wire here. I went and bought it at Lowe's as well. It's a 14-2 wire. So it's got a power, neutral, ground. And this is just me exposing the wires at the tips. Here I am inserting the new wire through the drywall hole for the existing shop light, and connecting the new wires to the existing wires on the shop light. And it's as simple as it looks: black to black and white to white. So I didn't have a drill at the time, so I used a flathead to drill a hole through a wall and insert the new wiring through that hole. So I got everything connected together now. Just gonna put the cover back for the original shop light, and also install the fluorescent tubes back in. Moment of truth. Here I am installing the LED shop light, connecting the wires, and making sure it works. And it sure does. Turns on. So I'm good to go. I'm good to wire it, secure it to the ceiling, and I should be done here pretty soon. See here, I'm screwing the drywall screw into the ceiling. It would have been helpful with the drill, but my battery was lent out to a brother of mine, so here I go, lending out my tools and using a screwdriver to do everything. But I guess it was a good thing because it didn't require a lot of impact. So just using a screwdriver to drill through a drywall is, no extra exertion of energy, other than just a little pressure. So I was able to mount it, and here I am installing the LED piece and get it connected, and should be good to go. All right, this is the end of the project. Shop light is on, working, And now I have more light in the garage. So thanks for watching.